One of the most common questions I get as the Top Music Marketplace Manager is, why is my store not making any money? In today's video, I'm here to share with you 5 reasons why your store isn't making any money. That way we can make slight little changes to boost your sales. Tip number 1, you just don't have enough products in your store. Now, let's think about this. If you go into a store and the shelves are just empty, are you going to purchase anything? Chances are you're not. So there's not a magic number when it comes to the amount of products to put in your store, but out of the different analytics, it looks like around 50 products in your store will start boosting your sales. Here's the reasons why. When you're at 50 products, you're going to be showing up in a lot more listings when people are searching. So the more you're seen, the more likely they are to purchase. And if you have more products in your store and someone's visiting your store, instead of buying one product, they may buy 2, 3, 4 products. So I like to say, get 50 products listed in your store. I know that sounds like a lot, but join me every Monday. What we do is we have a productivity hour. During this hour, I like to list at least 2 products a week. Okay, so set a time during your week that works for you and try to list 1 or 2 products into your store, and I promise your sales will start boosting. Tip number 2, find your niche. So, do you like making beginning games? Do you like creating intermediate piano solos? Buyers love coming to a store and they like seeing themes, right? So if you have guitar methods, and then you have drumming, and then you have flute, and then you have beginning piano games, and then advanced piano solos, they get very confused and they like to come to a store and know exactly what they're looking for. Okay, so if you have a lot of beginning piano games, more than likely they'll buy 1, 2, 3, or 4. But if you have all these different types of resources, chances are they're just going to get overwhelmed and head out the door. So find your niche. What do you like to make? That's important. Tip number 3, no one can find you. So what do we need to do to allow customers to be able to find your store? And really the biggest thing is SEO. And if you don't know what SEO is, it stands for Search Engine Optimization. And I've actually already made an entire video explaining what SEO is and how you can improve your SEO. It starts by the title and then your alt descriptions and your keywords. It's really all about your keywords. So make sure to go check out that video because SEO is one of the most important things that you can do to help customers find your store. So take a look in the description below and definitely check out that video. Tip number 4 is your pricing. Do you know how to price your products? Do you overprice them? Do you underprice them? Pricing is one of the hardest things to do as a seller. So my recommendation is to take a look around the marketplace and see what similar products are going for. Now, if there's a product that is selling for $2 and it has 10 pages, maybe it's just some worksheets, and you are also selling worksheets, but you only have 5, you can't sell those 5 worksheets for $8. Customers want the value. They'll find value in other products. So make sure you take a look at the similar products at the marketplace. Price yours accordingly. Tip number 5, you don't promote your products. Now, there's a few ways that you can actually promote your products. You can write a blog post, and I will post it on Top Music Marketplace. Did you know we have a blog? A lot of our sellers have been posting blogs on the marketplace, and it's a great way to showcase your products and why they're so useful for your studio and for other studios around the world. You can also post them on social media. So not only can you post pictures and videos about your products to your personal page. If you have a business page, you can post them there. You can also post them on Facebook groups like Piano Teachers Gotta Have It. So If you are looking to promote your products, those are some really great ways. Now, did you know Top Music Marketplace has our own Facebook group? I would highly recommend you joining our Top Music Facebook group because I go live every other Tuesday. And if you would like to be a guest on my little show that we've got going on over there, I would be more than willing to have you on. And then we can talk about your products and get customers excited about what you have to offer. So in today's video, I went through 5 reasons why your store isn't making any money and what we can do to change that. Now, if you ever need anything, please reach out to me because I am here to help your business thrive. I'll see you around the marketplace. Bye.
Hey, just before you go, make sure you click here to subscribe, and we've got thousands of other videos all on the topic of music education and teaching, so make sure you check out some of those other ones here, and I'll see you in the next video.